What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to this Tuesday edition of Weather Talk. My name is Joe Farrell. Didn't do a show yesterday because, I was getting home from Des Moines, after getting back from Florida, and just, had kind of a busy day yesterday getting stuff ready for classes starting yesterday and just everything like that. So I'm doing my show today. And what I've got on board for you guys today is I want to talk to you a little bit about how lightning is made. And lightning, just one of those things that, always leaves me wanting more, because that's just what, different forms of weather phenomena and extreme weather, that's just what it does. It just leaves me wanting more of it. And lightning is just so cool, whether it's cloud to ground lightning or it's, it's one of those that you see it and it stays within the storm cloud itself, and you just see it branching out, and it's like a tree branch, and it's just different colors of it and different colors of lightning. It's so cool, and it's so awesome. So let's talk a little bit about how lightning is made. So lightning, it all starts up in that storm cloud, and stronger storm is the more updrafts that there are, just updrafts, just feeding energy into this storm. And frozen rain, it's just, just little ice particles, many bits of hail, whatever you want to think of them as. They're up in that cloud, and these updrafts are throwing them around up there, and they're bumping into each other, and as they bump into each other, this keeps on creating an electric charge. And so the stronger a storm is, the more updrafts it has, the more of these are being thrown around. So the stronger storm is, the more lightning you see, just because, there's a whole lot more electric charge with these storms. And that's basically what lightning is. And so, it just all builds up as it's bumping into each other, and then boom, it strikes. And it can strike at any time, in any place. I mean, it's pretty random as far as, places that it's going to strike, except for, metal, obviously, and, trees and stuff like that, or just, a little bit higher objects in general. So here's as I'm running through this here, you guys will be seeing some pictures of some sweet pics of lightning that I'm seeing. But, another way you can think of this is, when you are rubbing your feet on like some fuzzy carpet and you go to touch metal and it shocks you, you can think of this as lightning as sort of that. The ground is, your feet rubbing up against that fuzzy carpet, and then it's just touching the clouds, which can, be thought of as the metal object that shocks you, and then boom, you get that little spark, that little bolt. And so it's just kind of an analogy that you can use for it. And it's just, this stuff is just, it's so cool. So thank you guys for watching this little educational spiel today. Hope you learned a little something from that. And now let's get into the forecast for state of Iowa as well as the surrounding areas. Thanks for watching, guys. Alright, everyone, thank you very much if you watched that little educational spiel on lightning. Hope you learned a little something. Let's get into the forecast for the state of Iowa tonight and into tomorrow. So tonight, lows throughout the state are going to be in the single digits, but after midnight tonight, warmer air is going to be making its way in, and temperatures are actually going to be rising through the night tonight. So lows will be anywhere from 3 to 4 degrees in northern Iowa, and then as you go south into central Iowa, there'll be 6-7 degrees, and then as you go a little bit more south, it'll be around 8 degrees for a low, with temperatures rising overnight. And we got a little bit of a warm up tomorrow after 2 days of brutal cold. Tomorrow is going to be actually pretty nice. It's going to be near freezing. It's going to be around 30 degrees in central Iowa, and around 26, 27, 28 degrees up in northern Iowa. And southern Iowa is actually probably going to get to freezing, and maybe a 33 here and there. So nice warm up, and I've actually got a warm up to talk about tomorrow as well. So that's some good news, right? And then, well, after that, I'll get more into it tomorrow. Thanks for watching today's videos, guys. Hope you learned a little something, and hope you enjoyed the forecast. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below me here. And I will see you guys tomorrow for another show. Thanks for watching.